Alright guys, it's me, Metalman8713 here today. I hope you guys enjoy this.
Big ones were a mist. Ooh. Again down there. Oh, there we are. I'm finished now. Time we got. Oh, it's not over yet. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. I did. I feel so mental motivated. I'm joking. Right? Yep. I've gone on it. In my next video, actually, I'm gonna be doing a little video, which I'll tell you about it after the fireworks. Actually, a good display, actually. Could go on the banter. Maybe not. Let's not get carried away for a moment. Recently, I'm gonna have to pause now. Here's what I have got. Sorry, it's starting to get a bit drizzly a little bit, but I'm gonna have to stop the video if it starts really pouring down. But still a great video, no doubt about that. You know, so yeah, I'm gonna use what if it does, just in case of that, I'll use what I got. So yeah, still a great video. Well, I think I've got him. Filming, no. Alright guys, now we're finished. We have to get out now.
Oh good, I'm out. And that was my main worry. Yeah. Getting off that grass.
Come on,
This is a good... Well, it was a good one.
I wonder if that's Jack Tarleton. Is that Jack Tarleton's Land Rover there? Oh, I don't know.
No, that's somebody else's.
I think we finished now here for today, so great video. No doubt.
We'll have to go this
So
way.
yep, I'll see you when we
get
home. I can't do a video outside.
Right, chip shop
just in case if it rains.
Get some chips.
So yep, there's your new join me, we're gone. Have to get over here now.
Look at all the cars down here.
Ooh, what the cars
I think we came the right way actually. We're right near where it was, the farm, and there was people parking right down the other end, wasn't there?
That was a few seconds, but you know. Still got it anyway.
Alright guys, it's me, MetalMan8713 here today. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this Bonfire Night video. It was a quick one, and apart from it raining at the end of it, it was still a pretty great one to go to. I really enjoyed it. It is now, well, by the recording of this clip, I could say, if you want to put it that way. Excuse me. It is November 16th. It's 11 days after Bonfire Night. I'm so sorry if this video hasn't been uploaded yet. I've been busy with a bit of college, and I've just been distracted with a few other things. Well, but I am putting this video on YouTube tonight, and hopefully afterwards, I've got a lot of great videos coming to you this month. Well, the second half of this month, and then next month, it's Christmas month when I start probably thinking about it, on December 1st, which will be in just 2 weeks from now. So yep, you know what? I love this time of year. Actually, because all my favourite events are included between the July to January period. Yep. So yep. Well, anyway, guys, you know what? Probably my next video I might tell you about what videos I could upload for the rest of this month, but I'll tell you then. Well, but anyway, I just have to say now, thanks for watching. What, mate? Who's this chap on here? He seems very familiar somehow. Well, I'll just have a quick look at him. Oh, wait, it's me. Yeah, it's me from Bonfire Night. Well, anyway, I'm editing this video on Movie Maker to put on YouTube tonight, and by the way, it'll be a great video. Well, anyway, guys, all I can say now is, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos on my channel. Yep, and well, basically, I've just got to say, I'll see you when I do my next video, or I'll see you in my next video. Peace.